Imagine if you could take any ordinary piece of wood and, in just a few easy steps, turn it into something remarkable, something that stands out. That's what the GOWKE woodworking tool set can do for you. This set isn't just a collection of tools, it's a powerful upgrade for your woodworking skills. With 4 essential pieces, including a square hole drill bit and a chisel extension saw, this kit is made to carve perfect square and rectangular grooves with stunning precision, no matter the type of wood you're working with. And here's the best part, it makes the entire process smooth and almost effortless. Each tool in this set is crafted from high-carbon steel, providing unmatched durability and ensuring you get clean, accurate cuts every time. Whether you're working on small, intricate projects or larger furniture pieces, this set has you covered. For all the DIY enthusiasts out there, the GOWKE tool set feels like a bit of magic. It simplifies and speeds up each step, allowing you to create furniture, decor, or custom pieces that look like they came out of a professional workshop. The intuitive design is perfect for everyone, from weekend hobbyists to seasoned woodworkers, making it easy to handle and operate without fuss. And this isn't just marketing fluff. With an impressive 4.7 rating and over 1,000 rave reviews, the GOWKE woodworking tool set has proven itself as a must-have. Just imagine the freedom and flexibility it offers, giving you the power to create perfect grooves and joints with ease. You know I only share products I believe in, and this one really deserves a place in your toolbox. Want to take your woodworking to the next level? The link with a special discount is waiting for you in the description. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your craft.